Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can close trades in TradeLocker. So we just placed a trade and it's standing right here. We created a nice buy on the 90k entry and we want to close this trade. So what we're going to do right now is we go here to this cross where it says partial close position, where we can decide if you want to close maybe a piece of our trade. If you want to completely close the trade, we go right here to the right where it says close position and we click on that and then we do confirm, and right now we received the notification that we closed our position. If you want to close all your positions, then what you can do is click here on close all, and then from here click here on positions and pending orders. And right now, if you click here on confirm, we closed all our orders. So this is how you can close your positions on TradeLocker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.